Hey, what's up, 8th grade?
Now we've started talking about systems of equations, which just means more than one equation. It could be two, it could be three, but we're 8th grade, we're just going to talk about two equations. And all these equations have two variables. And which means they're gonna, if you graph them, they're gonna make more than one point, okay? So they have two variables, they're gonna make a line or a curve, but same thing, we're just doing lines, okay? But they're all gonna have two variables, x and y. And the solution, when they ask for the solution of this, they're always asking for the point where the two lines cross, all right? So that's the main thing here. So you're gonna wanna write this down. So you have to hit pause. All right, so those of you that have been coming to class already know that you have a line. And this line is y equals 1/2 x plus 2. There's our y-intercept at 2. Then you go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, right? For our slope. All right. And then we found out that if we draw another one, this one is y equals negative 3x plus 6. 6 is our y-intercept, down 3, oh, sorry, it's negative 3 over 2x plus 6. Down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2, okay? And then the solution to these is just this point, right here, the point where they cross. So our solution is just 2 comma 3, it's just a point, okay? So pretty simple stuff if you have a graph in front of you, all right? We found out that if we have two lines that are parallel, pretty parallel, right? This one is y equals 1/2 x minus 1. Y-intercept is negative 1, and then up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. So they have the same slope. Look right here, I'll circle it in green. Slope is 1/2 and the slope is 1/2. When this happens, there's no place where those two lines will ever cross. They go forever in both directions, but there is no solution. So I had a lot of people writing parallel for the answer. The answer isn't parallel. The answer is there's no solution. There's no point where they cross, right? And then finally, excuse me, you could have two lines that are on top of each other. And when that happens, you have millions of points where they intersect, right? So this would be infinite solutions. Right? So you either have one point, if it's linear, and we have two equations, you either have one point where they cross, you have no points where they cross, or you have infinite points where they cross. Right? So that's basically the gist of this. Now, sometimes, and this is what we're going to get into next in the next video, you may get some lines like this, and like this, that don't cross on your graph, but they cross way up there on the roof of Newton D. Baker, right? So these still have one solution. They still have one place where they cross. And we're going to learn how to solve that using algebra. So you'll look at the equations of those lines, and we'll do some algebra with those equations to figure out the point where they cross. All right, so this is a way to do it without graphing them at all. And that's what we're going to learn next. You guys have a great day.